I'm Wes Smuts and welcome to 51 Thompson Street in Park Avenue. This home has a lot to offer and is a must-see. On level 1 of this high-set home, you will find a generous family kitchen with easy flow into dining and living, hardwood floors, rooms filled with light, and 3 generous bedrooms. As always, there's under-house storage, but for hobbies and tinkering, there's this. If this private corner block property with its great outdoor entertainment, huge shed, beautiful family home upstairs is something that interests you as a family home or a popular investment option, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts, or anyone at my team for more information.